Ever get that little knot of anxiety when you're about to hit send on a crypto transfer? Totally relatable. You're sending your hard-earned digital dollars off into the vast unknown of cyberspace, and it's natural to wonder, are my funds going to make it? Before you hit send, remember, your seed phrase is your master key. Never share it, never store it digitally. Write it down and keep it safe. Now, let's prep for that transfer. Open your SafePal app and check your USDT balance. Then log into Binance, head to the wallet section, and click Deposit for USDT. Here's the critical part. Choose the right blockchain network, ERC20, TRC20, or BP20. For moving USDT, TRC20 is often the sweet spot, fast and low fees. Copy that deposit address, double-check it, and make sure the network matches in SafePal. When you send, leave a little behind for transaction fees. Once you hit send, it's the waiting game. Track your transaction in SafePal, and soon enough, your USDT will be in Binance. You've just taken control of your crypto journey.